English Dialogue Studio.
Daily English conversations for learners.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English Dialogue Studio. I'm Emma.
And I'm Daniel. We're so happy you're here with us again today.
Today's topic is something we do every single day.
Something that connects us to other people.
Yes, today we're talking about small talk.
Small talk is light, casual conversation.
It's not about deep or serious topics.
It's about connecting with people in everyday situations.
Waiting in line,
Riding the elevator,
at a coffee shop.
before a meeting starts.
Small talk happens everywhere.
And for English learners, it can feel tricky.
What do you say? When do you say it?
Don't worry, after today, you'll be a small talk expert.
Let's start with the most common small talk topic in the world.
The weather.
People talk about the weather all the time.
It's safe, it's neutral. Everyone experiences it.
Here are some weather small talk phrases.
Beautiful day, isn't it?
Can you believe this rain?
Cold enough for you?
Looks like it's going to snow.
Finally, some sunshine.
Repeat. Beautiful day, isn't it? Can you believe this rain? Cold enough for you? Looks like it's going to snow. Finally, some sunshine.
Notice the patterns. Many weather comments end with, isn't it, or aren't we?
These are called tag questions. They invite the other person to agree.
Beautiful day, isn't it? The other person will likely say, yes, it is.
Terrible weather, isn't it? I know, right?
Let's practice responding.
If someone says, beautiful day, isn't it? You can say,
Yes, it's lovely. Absolutely beautiful. Finally, I've been waiting for this.
if someone says, can you believe this rain? You can say,
I know, it's been raining all week. Terrible, isn't it? I hope it stops soon.
repeat. Yes, it's lovely. I know, it's been raining all week. Terrible, isn't it?
Now, let's see a small talk conversation about weather.
Wow, it's really coming down out there.
I know, I didn't bring an umbrella either.
Me neither. I thought the forecast said sunny today.
Laughing, the forecast is never right, is it?
Apparently not. At least it's warm rain, not cold.
True, small mercies, right?
Small mercies. Well, here comes my bus. Have a good day.
You too, hope you don't get too wet.
See how natural that was?
We started with the weather, agreed with each other, made a little joke.
Small mercies means small things to be thankful for.
A nice expression to remember.
Another great small talk topic is the weekend. On Monday, people ask.
How was your weekend?
On Friday, people ask.
Any plans for the weekend?
These are perfect small talk questions.
Here are some answers for how was your weekend?
It was great, thanks. I relaxed at home.
Pretty busy. I had a lot of errands to run.
Wonderful. I went hiking with friends.
Nothing special, just the usual.
Repeat. It was great. I relaxed. Pretty busy. Lots of errands. Wonderful. I went hiking. Nothing special, just the usual.
For any plans for the weekend, you can say, I'm thinking of seeing a movie.
Nothing planned yet, just taking it easy.
I'm going to visit my parents.
Hopefully just relaxing.
Repeat. I'm thinking of seeing a movie. Nothing planned yet. I'm going to visit my parents. Hopefully just relaxing.
Let's have a weekend small talk conversation.
Morning, Emma. How was your weekend?
Oh, hey, Daniel. It was really nice, actually. I went to the beach on Saturday.
Lucky you. Was the weather good?
Perfect. Sunny, but not too hot. What about you? How was your weekend?
Pretty low-key. I cleaned the apartment, did some laundry, watched a movie.
Sometimes that's exactly what you need.
Exactly. I feel ready for the week now.
Good. Well, let's get started.
Yep. See you at the meeting later.
Short, simple, friendly.
That's all small talk needs to be.
Another common topic, work or school.
But be careful. Some people don't like talking about work.
Keep it light and positive.
You can ask, how's work going?
Busy week?
Any big projects right now?
Repeat. How's work going? Busy week? Any big projects?
Good answers. Pretty busy, but good busy.
Same old, same old.
It's going well, thanks for asking.
Can't complain.
Repeat. Pretty busy, but good. Same old, same old. It's going well. Can't complain.
Can't complain is a very common phrase.
It means everything's okay. Not great, not terrible, just okay.
Let's try a work small talk conversation.
Hey Emma, how's your week going?
Pretty busy, actually. Lots of deadlines this week.
I know the feeling. My team has 2 big projects due Friday.
Yikes. Are you on track?
Barely, but we'll get there. We always do.
That's the spirit. Well, good luck with everything.
Thanks, you too. Hope the deadlines aren't too stressful.
I'll survive. Coffee helps.
Coffee solves everything. Very natural workplace small talk.
We complained a little, but in a light way.
We showed sympathy for each other.
And we ended positively. Another great small talk topic, compliments.
Giving a compliment is a wonderful way to start a conversation.
I love your bag. Where did you get it?
That's a really nice sweater.
Your presentation was excellent today.
You have such a positive energy.
Repeat. I loved your bag. Nice sweater. Great presentation. You have such positive energy.
When someone compliments you, simply say,
Thank you so much. Oh, that's so kind of you. Thanks. I got it at that little shop on Main Street.
repeat, thank you so much. That's so kind of you.
Let's practice a compliment conversation.
Excuse me, I just have to say, I love your earrings. They're gorgeous.
Oh, thank you so much. They were my grandmother's, actually.
Really? That makes them even more special.
They are. She gave them to me before she passed away.
That's beautiful. What a wonderful way to remember her.
Thank you. That's really sweet of you to say.
Of course. Well, enjoy the party.
You too. Thanks again.
A compliment led to a deeper conversation.
That sometimes happens with small talk.
You never know where a simple comment might lead.
Now, let's talk about small talk in waiting situations.
Waiting in line, waiting for an appointment, waiting for food.
These are perfect small talk moments.
You can say, this line is so long today.
Busy in here, isn't it?
Have you been waiting long?
I think they're a bit understaffed today.
Repeat, this line is so long. Busy in here, isn't it? Have you been waiting long? Understaffed today, I think.
These comments acknowledge the shared experience.
It creates a small connection with a stranger.
Let's see a waiting in line conversation.
Wow, it's packed in here today.
I know, I've been waiting almost 10 minutes.
Really? I just got in line. Guess I'll be here a while.
Sorry, but the coffee's worth it.
That's what I hear. Is this your first time here?
No, I come all the time. Their lattes are amazing.
Good to know. I'm trying their cold brew today.
Oh, that's good too. A little strong for me, but good.
Perfect. I like strong coffee.
Then you'll love it. Oh, look, they're opening another register. Finally.
About time. Well, enjoy your latte.
Thanks. Hope you like the cold brew.
See, a random wait turned into a friendly chat.
Now we know each other a little bit.
That's the magic of small talk.
Another common situation, elevator small talk.
Elevators are tricky. You're together for a short time.
You can say something simple.
Going up?
Beautiful day out there.
Busy day?
Have a good one.
Repeat. Going up? Beautiful day. Busy day? Have a good one.
Elevator conversations are very short.
Just a quick acknowledgement is enough.
Let's practice elevator small talk.
Getting in elevator. Morning.
Morning. Beautiful day out there.
It really is. Finally feels like spring.
I know, right? Well, this is my floor. Have a good one.
You too. Short and sweet.
Perfect for an elevator. Now, let's talk about small talk at social events.
Parties, gatherings, weddings, networking events.
These are small talk gold mines.
You can ask, how do you know the host?
Have you tried the food? It's delicious.
Great music, isn't it?
Are you from around here?
What do you do when you're not at parties?
That last one is fun. It's a creative way to ask about work.
Repeat, how do you know the host? Have you tried the food? It's delicious. Great music, isn't it? Are you from around here? What do you do when you're not at parties?
Let's try a party conversation.
Hi, I don't think we've met. I'm Emma.
Daniel, nice to meet you, Emma. Great party, isn't it?
It really is. The music is fantastic.
I know. I've been meaning to ask the DJ for a playlist.
Great idea. So, how do you know the host?
She's my neighbor. We've been friends for years.
That's nice. Have you tried the little sandwiches? They're amazing.
Not yet. Are they the ones with the salmon?
Yes, you have to try one before they're all gone.
Good tip. I'll go find them. Nice meeting you, Daniel.
You too. Enjoy the party.
Perfect party small talk. We introduced ourselves, complimented the party, found a connection, and talked about food.
And ended politely.
Now, let's talk about topics to avoid in small talk.
Some subjects are too personal or controversial.
Avoid
Politics,
religion,
money, how much someone earns,
personal health problems,
gossip about other people.
very negative complaints.
Peas can make people uncomfortable.
Stick to safe topics. Weather, weekend, work, hobbies, food.
Good advice.
Now, let's learn how to keep small talk going.
The secret is asking follow-up questions.
If someone says, I went hiking this weekend, you can ask,
Oh, nice. Where did you go?
how long was the trail?
Do you go hiking often? Was it crowded?
Repeat.
Where did you go? How long was it? Do you go often? Was it crowded?
If someone says, I have a big project at work, you can ask,
What kind of project?
when is it due?
Are you excited about it?
Do you have a team helping you?
Repeat. What kind of project? When is it due? Are you excited? Do you have a team?
Follow-up questions show you're listening.
They keep the conversation flowing.
Let's practice a conversation with follow-ups.
So, what do you like to do in your free time?
I love cooking, actually. I try new recipes every week.
Oh, that's cool. What kind of food do you like to cook?
Mostly Italian and Asian dishes. I'm trying to learn Thai food right now.
Thai food is amazing, but complicated, isn't it?
Yes, so many different flavors. Have you ever tried making it?
I tried once. It was a disaster.
I'm sure it wasn't that bad.
It really was, but the takeout place down the street makes excellent Thai food.
Good to know. What's it called? See how one topic led to many questions?
Cooking led to Thai food, which led to restaurants.
That's how natural conversations work.
Now, let's talk about ending small talk.
All conversations need to end sometime.
Here are polite ways to exit.
Well, I should let you go.
It was great chatting with you.
I should probably mingle, but nice talking to you.
Hope you enjoy the rest of your day.
Let's catch up again soon.
Repeat. I should let you go. Great chatting with you. Nice talking to you. Enjoy the rest of your day. Let's catch up again soon.
Let's practice ending a conversation.
Well, I should probably get back to work. It was really nice talking to you, Emma.
You too, Daniel. I learned so much about hiking. Maybe I'll try it sometime.
You should. Let me know if you want any trail recommendations.
I will. Thanks. Have a great rest of your day.
You too. See you around. Smooth and friendly.
We even left the door open for future conversation. Now, let's fix some common small talk mistakes.
Mistake number 1. Not responding at all.
If someone says, beautiful day, isn't it? Don't just nod.
Say something. Yes, it's lovely.
Mistake number 2,
Giving one-word answers.
how was your weekend?
Good.
That ends the conversation. Add a little more.
Good. I went to the beach. How about you?
Mistake number 3,
Interrupting.
let the other person finish speaking.
Small talk is a dance, not a race.
Mistake number 4, only talking about yourself.
Ask questions. Show interest in the other person.
Mistake number 5, being too serious.
Small talk is light. Smile. Relax.
Let's practice good responses.
Beautiful day. Yes, it's gorgeous. Finally, some sunshine. How was your weekend? Great. I watched a movie. What about you?
Perfect.
Now, here are some idioms about small talk.
To break the ice.
Again, this means to start a conversation and make people comfortable.
To chat someone up.
This means to talk to someone in a friendly way, sometimes romantically.
To make conversation.
This simply means to talk to be polite, not necessarily to share deep information.
To chew the fat.
This means to chat casually for a long time.
To shoot the breeze.
Same meaning, to chat casually.
Repeat.
Break the ice. Chat someone up. Make conversation. Chew the fat. Shoot the breeze.
Before we finish, let's review.
We learned that small talk is light, casual conversation.
We talked about the best topics.
Weather, weekend, work, compliments, waiting situations.
We learned how to start small talk.
Beautiful day, isn't it? How was your weekend?
We learned how to respond.
Yes, it's lovely. Great, I went hiking.
We learned how to keep conversations going with follow-up questions.
Where did you go? Do you go often?
We learned how to end conversations politely.
Great chatting with you. Have a good day.
We learned topics to avoid.
Politics, religion, money, health problems.
And we fixed common mistakes.
That's everything you need for great small talk.
Here's your challenge for today.
Today, try to make small talk with one person.
A cashier, a coworker, someone waiting in line.
Just one small conversation.
Say something about the weather.
Or ask about their weekend.
It might feel strange at first.
But the more you practice, the easier it gets.
And remember, the other person might be shy too.
Your small talk could make their day better.
If you're learning alone, practice out loud.
Pretend you're at a coffee shop.
Say, busy in here today, isn't it?
Then answer for the other person. I know, I've been waiting forever.
Practice both sides.
You'll be ready for any situation.
Now go to the comments.
Tell us about a small talk conversation you had recently.
Where were you? What did you talk about?
For example, I made small talk with a barista about the weather. It was nice.
We'd love to hear your stories.
And if this episode helped you,
Please subscribe to English Dialogue Studio.
hit the notification bell so you never miss a lesson.
We post new English conversations every day.
Next time, we'll talk about another everyday topic.
You'll have to come back to find out. Until next time, keep practicing
Keep learning.
and keep speaking English.
Thanks for joining us at English Dialogue Studio.
Bye, everyone.
See you soon.